went to the Kentucky Sustainable Living Homesteading Conference in Bowling Green, Kentucky. While it was their first year, we did learn a few things. At the conference, we were able to milk a cow and have that hands-on experience, pluck a chicken and process it, and also watch a hog being processed completely. There were other classes and vendors, but one of the best classes that we attended was a couple, a husband and wife team, who spoke about how they have started a community where they live. That got me to thinking. Before we even got back home from the trip, I was already making plans and seeing if a community meeting was possible in my area. I began a Facebook group and have narrowed down a meeting place. I plan to have monthly meetings where we will socialize and go over upcoming hands-on classes. I also plan to have everyone in our group help the disabled or elderly individuals in our area with their homesteading projects. This helps that individual out, and it gives us, as the group, the hands-on experience and knowledge of a particular skill. If someone in the group needs a smokehouse built, we all pitch in. If someone in the group has their barn burned down, we all come together and rebuild it. It's much like the Amish and how everyone comes together to help everyone else. I am looking forward to getting this group off the ground and the classes started. Maybe you can consider doing the same thing in your area. Community is so important when SHTF happens. You will need people around you for trading, for bartering, for help around your homestead, and for just plain socialization. Since this homesteading event happened in Kentucky, I have been asked to speak at a different homesteading event called Mountain Readiness. I highly encourage you to come to this event in May. It is in Harmony, North Carolina. They have big name people with all types of experience and knowledge of all types of prepping, homesteading, bushcraft, and readiness hands-on events. You all know how much I love Prepper Camp at the end of September in Saluda, North Carolina. This event may be just as good. Use this link and join today. They have early bird specials, so it's imperative to get your slot before tickets are sold out. This link does help me out, so please click on it. I will have it listed in the description as well. Remember, it's not about if, it's about when. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.